So this is the app Gopuff Driver. Make deliveries, make money. Say goodbye to the usual hassles. No picking up from restaurants, no waiting for riders, no complicated routes. Simply pick up ready-to-go orders from one of Gopuff's centralized pickup locations and delight customers with swift and speedy deliveries. Flexibility and freedom. Be your own boss and operate your own business. Work as much or as little as you want. Earn on your own terms. Earn on every delivery. Convenient locations. So yeah, you can just then install this app, double click to install, and then make money daily. Keep 100% of your tips. Work when you want and be your own boss. So yeah, pretty cool app. If you want to find some gigs, kind of to earn some additional cash, you can just sign up to become a GoPuff delivery partner. You can also see some open locations, and yeah, that's basically the idea. So then you can just sign up from here. However, the average ratings for this app are not that good. As you can see, just 2.2 out of 5. There is some not that good experience with the app, and these apps are kind of quite how sensitive, because if you're delivering the food, or you driving the car somewhere, and then this app stops working, it's super annoying. You can be somewhere in the cold, on the bike, in the car, just delivering food, and then this app just stops working. It's super infuriating. So it's not like Netflix stops working and then you're just okay, we'll just watch another movie on YouTube, whatever. This is and then it also says there is a lot of waiting. My very first delivery, I had to contact support. I contacted both chat and phone. I was asked to use having trouble button in the app in the chat. It took about 15 minutes for the support. And in these apps, you just really need to figure out how to reach out to the support and all of that. But yeah, that's what it is.